edition of the Data Science Roundtable. Welcome, welcome everybody that's interested in data science, data professionals, students, curious people, whatever it is. The whole point of the Data Roundtable is for us to come together and discuss anything that we want related to data. So please let me know that you're out there. Let me know what you want to talk about. Let me know what you have going on today. We get together, we talk, we let the conversation lead us to where it wants to go, and just see where we are, right? That's part of the fellowship of being a data professional, that we can help each other, that we can listen to each other, that we can express our ideas to each other. That's the whole reason why I host these data roundtables. And, they've been pretty fun discussions, and I hope that you'll have fun with it too. So feel free to let me know that you're out there, let me know what you have going on, and welcome. Let's see. Today is Tuesday, which is the middle of the week, I think, for every culture out there. I know people start the week and end the week differently, but Tuesday is just a working day for all of us, right? So I am going to be doing some of my streaming. I'm going to be doing some work for clients. I'm going to be doing some work for my own personal things. I have to get some car things done today. You got to keep up. As fun as it is working with data and all those other things, you still got to keep up with the car and your grocery shopping and your laundry and things along those lines. So that's what I have going on today. I'm gonna have to tackle a lot of that stuff, that just kind of takes up your day, right? So I'm gonna be doing that because I might be taking some more trips this summer, before the summer is up. But yeah, so that's what I have going on today. What do you have going on today? Let me know. Let me know what you're doing. What are you doing in your work life? What are you doing in your personal life? And what are you doing in your data life? What are you doing to get just a little bit better today? What are you doing to just move yourself a little bit forward in your data science studies? You don't have to do anything amazing. You just have to do it, right? You have to stop having the analysis paralysis. You have to stop making excuses. And you just have to get out there and start doing stuff, right? That's part of the data science side of things, right? That you have to persevere. Data science is not always easy. Data science is not always easy, right? I saw this interesting article this morning, this interesting chart. I think it was put out by the Financial Times, that was talking about how our attitudes and people's way of thinking and just kind of our personalities are changing. And one of the things that was ranked on the scale was the ability to follow through on your goals and your promises and just kind of follow through, right? And that has been dropping significantly. It's dropping significantly, especially among people 35 and under. So, is that you? Are you committed to data science? Are you really going to do this, or is this just something that you're doing temporarily, right? That's something we all have to ask ourselves, right? Are we actually willing to commit to this? Are we actually taking the steps necessary to commit to this, right? So let me know what you're doing. Let me know what's on your mind, and we'll go from there. I am going to do a little bit of experimentation because I'm trying to figure out how I can put some text on my screen. So give me just a second, because I do want to try maybe some of the settings here. What is that? That's microphone, that's camera, that's also camera. Yeah, that's killing my camera. That's green screen. Okay, so that's an interesting view. Maybe I can fix that. I'm trying to put a little label on my screen so that people can see that I'm a data scientist and what the chat's about. So I created this graphic before I went online today, but that's too big, right? I mean, it's silly, really. I need that same graphic, just a little smaller, but I don't know how to put that. What is this? This is sharing. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fool around with that some more. All right, guys. So I'm gonna switch over to Instagram. So please feel free to join me over there. But as always, take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and I will see you again tomorrow.